Hello friends, welcome to my channel Plenty of Happiness, and I am here with a new video on how to be productive plus my room tour. So being productive is so easy, so let's start with my story in lockdown. When the lockdown started, I was a lazy bear. Yeah, it's funny, but I didn't completed my copies, didn't take classes, and it's not good for me. And when my video call classes started, I realized that I have to make a routine, and I searched on mobile at the best routine for kids, and then I found 21-day challenge. It 21 day is after I've forgotten that what I have done in 21 days, so I think it's not good for me. Then I found a word called productive, and I searched that how to be productive, and I found something that I am telling you. 9 productivity tips for lockdown. So my first tip is drink water. Yeah, water is so important for us, and you can drink water and you can start with a half glass, and you can drink water in a fancy bottle or in a fancy glass or cup, and make sure that you have to drink at least 4 or 6 glass water. Then we will move to our next step, that is exercise and meditation. Exercise is so important, so do exercise every morning after waking up, and you can listen to music while exercising, and please don't forget to do meditation. Meditation keeps you calm, and you can make an environment for a meditation. Take a rug or and a water glass, and you can start your meditation. And exercise makes you perfect, and you can do if you want to take exercise, do in fun, so you can learn some other skills like karate and boxing or other sports you like. So my next tip is routine. Yeah, routine is not so important but very important, I think. Yeah, so make routine, and routine manages your time, and you can do anything in the routine. So routine's first part is wake up early in the morning, and there are two types of routine. Um, Hard way routine and smart way routine. So a hard way routine is like you make in copy and decorate it, but the smart way is better than the hard way. You can take your mobile and download an app or do reminders on it, so it's better than the hard way routine. So my next tip is calm. Yeah, calm. If you will calm, your brain will work perfectly. So you can sit outside seeing the sunset, or you can bath in a hot tub. And meditation, you can do meditation also, and uh, feel the environment, and you can listen to music also. So the next is to-do list. Make to-do list every day, that what you have to do. And the main part, write main parts in your to-do list, that you have to complete your copy, and you have to help your mom, and you can make a everyday to-do list in your mobile, and you can download to-do list app also. So the next tip is journal. Yeah, journal making is fun for me. It's very fun, and I've made a journal that I will show you when you but please first subscribe my channel, so you can write in your journal your study things and your wishes and your goals. So the next tip is do what you like. Some people search on Google that what to do when bored, but and Google suggests two things in that, that is learn an instrument and learn a new language, like. And you can, but if you are bored, you can sing if you like to sing, or try to sing if you don't know how to sing. And you can do some crafts, knitting, crochet, and you can decorate your room and dance if you like to dance. So our next tip is study. Yes, study is very important, and you can try to make notes, and you can search on mobile that how to make notes, beautiful notes, and uh, buy some supplies for making notes, and take your online class perfectly. And if you like to study with your friends, you can study with them, and that's good, very good. And you can make a study journal also, that you can write everything in that. Now the next tip is distraction. Yeah, this you can take online classes with mobile, but make sure that when you are studying by yourself, keep out your mobile, switch off your mobile. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Toodles.